Do you want to learn best tips for creating ultra-realistic product photos using Midjourney? In this video, you will find a detailed look at the prompt structures for product photography, background design, visual comparison of keywords for shot types, lighting, decorating items, composition, using in-painting to modify product photos, package design, and using color palettes as style reference. At the end, I will show you how to place your own products to Midjourney-generated scenes and create personalized merchandise. As always, we will start with ultimate Midjourney prompt structure for product photography that enables the creation of detailed, customized images that can significantly enhance the visual appeal and marketing effectiveness of your product. Keyword product photography is the central focus of the Midjourney starting point with most fundamental decision. It sets the stage for all other elements in the prompt and a clear statement that we want to have a product photo. The second fundamental element, product object description, allows us to give a detailed description of the product or object. It covers its size, shape, key features, and any unique aspects that should be emphasized in the AI photo. In addition to product photography, you can display a product with 3 other keywords. These are commercial, still life, and macro photography for extreme close-ups. You can see a visual comparison of what these keywords do to the same prompt. In this comparison, I didn't perceive a significant difference between product photography and still life photography except angle. However, commercial photography greatly altered the feel, appearing more like a professional magazine shoot and being far simple and minimalist than the other two. Macro photography, with its extreme close-ups, obviously emphasized the cream's texture, offering a unique angle and perspective. When combined, these styles can create a powerful concept mood board. Once I have my reference product photo, I will use this to create rest of the product line in the same style. And that's very easy too with Midjourney's new style reference parameter. Here I created lipstick, argan oil, and perfume using same style reference. I love how style reference shortens my prompts. Second layer of our prompt, represented as atomic level, includes important elements like set design and background, shot type, lighting, and more. We will deep dive into all these elements in detail. Together, they will create amazing compositions. I will finalize my prompt with aspect ratio parameter. It can be horizontal or vertical. And if I want to use default Midjourney aesthetics, I will add stylize parameter. If I want to rely more on my own style keywords, then I will stick to the style raw parameter. One of the significant use cases of Midjourney is concept design. When combined with product photography, you can conceptualize very interesting products. Let's try to conceptualize Apple Vision Pro 2. For this job, I'm going to use original Apple Vision Pro image as image prompt. You may ask, why are you not using style reference parameter? Because for concept design, I need a stronger resemblance to the original model, particularly edges, materials, curves, and colors. Style reference is great to transfer overall style, but it's not optimal to transfer shape, object details, and materials. For this reason, I'm going to use image prompt. Remember, the image weight parameter allows you to control the level of resemblance to the original image. After a couple of iterations, I ended up with this image here. Obviously, this is not perfect, and I did not get the sleek, lightweight form factor I was looking for. But we were able to reflect full front screen and comfortable fabric materials in the final design with usual simplistic Apple aesthetics. Now let's go even further and try to create Apple's ultimate goal with this product line. Lightweight augmented reality glasses with sleek frame design. To achieve this, I need a different image reference. Let's start with creating our form factor. For this, I'm getting inspiration from 70s, looking into vintage aviator frame design as a timeless classic. Apple enjoys producing technology as a statement. always considering the fashion element as much as the technological aspect. After this, I'm adding exact description of my prompt. After 2 reruns, I started to get interesting results with lower image reference weight, allowing some creative space for Midjourney algorithm. I continued iterating with different form factors, ensuring lightweight and comfort. I will call this product line Apple Vision Air, because why not? Perhaps we are looking towards the future thanks to Midjourney. Let me know in the comments section which design and form factor is your favorite. Next element in our prompt structure is podium design and background. Podium design involves the overall layout and physical setting where the product is placed. It can range from a minimalist studio setup to a more realistic or themed environment like Halloween or Christmas. Let's start with podium design prompt structure. Putting a product on a podium can really show its importance. Here is an example prompt for creating great podium images. Then you can place your products to these backgrounds using Photoshop or any other app, and the podium complements the background. Backgrounds do more than just sitting behind a product. They amplify its features, guide where the viewer looks, and can even shout out a brand's message. A product photo can be created with a single colored background. It really brings attention back to the product. Additional to single colored background, you can also use gradient colors. It's contemporary and utterly delightful. To create gradient backgrounds, try this prompt structure. Next is bokeh background. You can turn your product photo to fairy tale-like setting with this prompt structure. In addition to single, gradient colors and bokeh, you can also describe your background scene in detail. In this example, I described a sunny terrace with a sea view and strong Mediterranean vibe. Or imagine your product amidst fluffy, dreamy clouds. At the end, we can combine everything we learn and create a complex scene with a podium design and rich background description. For larger items such as suitcases or coffee machines, it's preferable to showcase them in a larger context like an airport or a kitchen. Next element in our prompt structure is shot type. It specifies the angle and perspective of the shot, such as top-down, front angle, or high-angle shot. It helps in focusing the viewer's attention to the product in a desired manner. Now, let's visually compare different shot type keywords and their impact on the final photo. Feel free to pause the video and take a deeper look. Next up, lighting. It is a crucial element in product photography. It can be used to highlight the product's best features, create shadows for depth, or set a specific tone or mood and more. With Midjourney, you can control and adjust type of light applied to the scene for an optimal outcome. Let's see the visual comparison of lighting keywords and how they're rendered in product photography. As a note, if you want a stronger emphasis on the lighting type, drop product photography and use photo as your keywords. This is because product photography keywords often default to strong studio lighting in the composition, which can sometimes override our chosen lighting. Next element is decorating items. These are additional things placed around the product to enhance its appeal or to communicate its use. They should complement, not overshadow, the main product. Here is a visual comparison for decorating items you can use. They certainly enhance our product's appeal, making it more eye-catching. However, consider including simple elements to maintain a minimalist and clean scene. Composition involves the arrangement of all elements in the image, including the product, decorating items, and background to create a visually pleasing and balanced photograph. By the way, geometric composition means dividing the canvas into smaller parts and using these divisions to arrange the visual elements. Horizontal composition allows us to place all products on top of an imaginary line. As a note, Midjourney does not always bring consistent results for these composition types, so you need multiple rerolls. Let's explore some product effects that can enhance your product photos. Splashing captures the dynamic effect of water, and it adds a sense of action and energy to product images. Levitation effects create a dreamlike, ethereal atmosphere around the product, suggesting lightness and innovation. Incorporating smoke into product photography can elevate the drama and mystery, creating a powerful composition. You can use smoke in a variety of keywords and structures. Here are few of them. Underwater photography showcases a product's waterproof qualities or evokes feelings of freshness. Not every product fits to this composition, so you need to choose wisely. Here are few of underwater keywords for your convenience. Product photography can sometimes include hands or models introducing the product line. This effect can be easily created using Midjourney. Let's start with hands. This is about relatability. Show your product in real-world settings, illustrating its everyday utility. Use this prompt template. Simply, it's enough to use prompt structure shown here if you want to include hands in your composition. The next step is to incorporate models. There are primarily two ways to do this, either through indoor studio product shoot or an outdoor shoot. Keep in mind that, depending on the product, you can alternate between product photography and fashion photography. Second option is depicting those products outside in the wild. This gives maximum context for customers to help them understand how they would use this product if they purchase. Notice how I used first shot as style reference to create close-up shot in the similar style. Let's explore how we can utilize the Vary Region feature within the product photography. Here we have a standard-looking cosmetic product line. You can change or replace an object within the composition. After clicking on Vary Region option, I'm selecting Brush tool to select the specific area of the image you want to modify. After that, navigate to the prompt section. Remove original prompt and simply type a bottle of perfume to indicate that you want the current cream to be replaced with a perfume. After that, click on arrow here. After the processing is complete, you should see this cream in the original image replaced with a perfume. And here is the result. Notice how that bottle of perfume is reflecting the style consistency of rest of the product line. Midjourney can be used to explore package design concepts. Simply, you can explore packaging concepts, and once you have a draft, you can create pixel-perfect designs using traditional design tools. I can't answer if AI will replace all human jobs at this point, but I can tell you, your job will be replaced by another designer leveraging all these amazing AI tools for more creativity and productivity. If the product comes with packaging, its design can be included to provide a more comprehensive view and to enhance brand recognition. For this task, you can use prompt structure shown here. So far, we've learned how to create product photography scenes. You might be wondering, how can I incorporate my own products into these AI scenes? At the moment, this is not possible natively on Midjourney. However, it is not difficult to do this using established design tools like Adobe Suite. But today, I will show you free online tools. These are Remove BG, Magic Studio, and Photorum. This is not a paid partnership. I simply appreciate their product and want to share it because it solves our problem. Remove BG is probably the easiest solution to remove background from your product images using AI. You can upload your product photo and tool will remove its background and prepare ready to download transparent file for free. Then you can use this file in Midjourney-generated scenes. Magic Studio has a nice object removal feature. Using the brush, you can easily erase the product in the image or any unwanted object from an existing scene. The last tool is called Photorum. If you upload your product image, it can easily remove background from the image using AI. And you can keep this product and change its background using their AI features. It also allows you to adjust intensity and angle of shadows, reflections in the image. Only issue is if you want to download the image without watermark, they ask premium. Many people aren't aware, but a color palette can serve as a style reference in Midjourney. This is particularly useful if you have a brand color palette and wish to produce product photos consistent with your branding color. Here I attempted to create some cyberjungle merchandise using this method. Creating personalized merchandise using Midjourney is a thrilling way to bring your creative visions to life. Here, we'll break down the process into manageable steps, whether you're aiming to produce unique art, personalized gifts, or custom t-shirts. Firstly, kickstart your project by generating an initial image. This could be any artwork, logo, or illustration. For example, you might prompt Midjourney with a request for an oil painting of a pistachio. You can start with a square aspect ratio and combine your prompt with stylized parameter to take advantage of Midjourney's default aesthetics. Next, utilize the custom zoom feature to adapt your image further. This involves modifying your initial prompt to add new elements or context to the image. For instance, designing a cushion sitting on a sofa. Please ensure that your remix mode on in order to modify your prompt in custom zoom mode. If you want to create personalized photo gifts with Midjourney, start by uploading your chosen image to Midjourney to obtain a URL. This URL serves as a starting point for image prompting. For now, Midjourney doesn't allow us to simply upload an image and use custom zoom. That's why we need to generate an image using image prompting. Step 2. Utilize the custom zoom out feature in Midjourney to tailor your image. This could be for a variety of products like clocks, coffee mugs, or mouse pads. The process involves selecting the custom zoom out feature and using prompts to specify your product. Hopefully, this video was truly helpful for you to explore product photography with Midjourney. If you felt a spark of inspiration, show your support with a thumbs up and join our jungle community by subscribing for more mind-blowing tutorials. If you want to learn more about Midjourney or AI filmmaking, click here.